I got zero doubt in my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish and it shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you will, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Saw some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right here in my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking.
Come on.
And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. How them strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm done talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP. Cause I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail.
Hey, let's go. That's enough of that. What up, everybody? Rye Guy, Max Payne. What up? What up, ASMR? Let's go. Let's take a look at these charts. Algo. Look at Algo. Ooh. Algo looks like it just hit and just wants to just keep going, man. I don't know. Doesn't Algo look like it wants to keep going? I mean, it was above the 50 EMA on the hourly. Now it's below. But it did just pierce through it again. Yeah, Max. I've been looking at the charts, man. I've been watching Blockchain Backer as well. He last time I watched him, he was unsure if it was gonna come back down for a double, but maybe it's in this video right here. Maybe he got more sure.
Here, and if it's going to continue doing that, you could see that a double bottom eventually did come in here. So I keep that in the back of my mind. Today's great, but you know what? Having expectations of what's coming, right? That if it goes back in double bottoms, we're probably gonna see those altcoins pull back down with it too. But otherwise, it's nice to see that, hey, look, we're still following that. This is all good stuff. This is all indications of what it looked like when a bottom was coming in. So lots of fear out there in the market, lots of pain out there in the market. That's typically what happens at bottoms, just like at tops. There's lots of
just like I said, he wasn't sure, just like anybody, if it's gonna double bottom like it did last time in the last bull run. So it could just come up, do a little retrace and take off. He said, or we could come back down, but he's not sure about this part. He's not sure about the double bottom. Nobody's sure about it. But yeah, we're pretty close. We're pretty close. So he's just not sure if it's going to just recover like this and then go, or if we're going to come back down and then come like this. So He's unsure about this part. But that's all right, man. I'm ready. I'm ready, man. If it retraces again, I am ready to buy more. I am firing on all cylinders. I am ready to roll, boys and girls. Look at this. Look at this. We broke out of it, came back in this channel on the hourly, bounce, 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 and now we're kind of breaking through again. Huh. This is a weird channel, man. And it does show right here that we could have this kind of a drop if that gets broken. Is this freaking scale inverted? Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Oh my god, we're going up. The scale was inverted. Well, we're going up. That's it. I figured it out. We're going up. We're going up. Oh my god, where are these bots coming from? Get out of here, man. What up, Rojas? What's going on? Working and twerking? Oh, lurking. Working and lurking. You better not be twerking on the job. We just touched the golden zone. Don't be touching any zones. Swiper, no swiping. We just touched the golden zone, and here it is, the 382. Yes, we did just touch the 382. That is correct. And if we bounce off this 50 EMA, if we bounce off this 50 EMA right here and go up, oh my god. Holy Moses. Things are going to get crazy. Guys, I'll be honest with you guys. This is what happened. My man just saying what's up. I'll be in and out of the stream. Hope everyone is well. Doing well, man. Appreciate you, bro. Do what you got to do. So, this is what I did, guys. This is what I did. All right. I had, hold on. Let me look. Because I have a lot in my ledger now. All right. So, 42.20. 52. So, I have $5,700. I took 4,300. I took like 80% and put it all into XRP and XLM. And this is what I did. I left 100,000 in Legacy, 4,200 in WadsPay, 10,000 in Blocktopia, 75,000 in Casino Coin, and I bought 100 API 3 tokens. So pretty much I have $300 to $390 in each one of those, and I put the rest in XRP and XLM. I just felt like it was the right move, guys. That's what I did. Bro, they laid 75% of workers off my work 2 weeks ago. They kept me on, but fuck, working for other people, no loyalty, just fuck faces. Can't wait for crypto to line my pockets. Max, I feel your pain, bro. We are getting there. We are getting there. I was not kidding when I said January, February, March. When I said Q1 2022, we're going to have something happen. It's coming, guys. It is close. Just hang in there. Hang in there. Not financial advice, but hang the fuck in there. So what I did was I only have $323 in Legacy, $307 in WadsPay, $271 in Blocktopia, $85 in Casino Coin, and $383 in API 3. Guys, everything else is in XRP and XLM. I have over 8,000 Stellar Lumens, and I have almost 5,000 XRP tokens, okay? I had to put a majority of my money into those two. because they're the ones I believe in the most. Now, as far as the 100 to 300x projects, oh, and I still have 10,000 Paribus tokens as well. I still have everything in my BitTrue. I'm still holding all those tokens, but instead of $1,000 in each of them, I just have a few $100s in each of them now. And I put everything into XLM and XRP. So what did I buy? I want to show you guys what I bought. And I was watching Kevin Cage, and I was looking into API 3, guys. And this is what I saw, okay? This is what I saw. Let me show you. API 3 is right down near the bottom. API 3 has never done anything. Kevin Cage vetted this project himself. It's at $3.80, which is where I bought it at. About $3.75 is where I bought it at. And this project hasn't done anything ever. It's only 2x'd ever in its history. So this project, from what I'm looking at, this API 3, this Web 3 project here, you know, the API, Kevin Cage, the way he talks about this and what can happen here is some amazing things. No ICP. ICP has already done some things in the market, has already made some money. API 3 has never had its first takeoff yet. So I was like, holy shit. I said, I'm gonna buy 100 API 3 tokens. At first I bought 200. But then I was like, no, let me just put like 400 in, or $370 or whatever. So I bought 100 API 3 tokens, and this is all it's ever done. It started up at like 11, dropped straight down to $1.89, and it's been holding at $3.50 to $4.50 for a long time, since like June, July, August. It's just held in that zone. This thing has not done anything yet. So I picked up another project real quick, just because it's sitting there in the zone, and it's about, I think it's going to do something crazy soon. So it's just like I got into WADs and Blocktopia and Paribus back then, and then it took off the next day. I feel that way about API 3. So let's take a look at it. Circulating supply, 46 million. Total supply, 110 million. Market cap, 178 million. And 24-hour trading volume, 38 million. Pretty crazy, guys. Pretty crazy. And here's its max. Its maximum was up to like $10, whatever. And it's just been holding in like the $3 to $5 zone. So I bought 100 of these tokens. Look, Phil, for Web3, it's great. Angel, what is up, man? You'll be out of it, man. Wait. Agreed, right? Worked in this shit my life. Been 7 layoffs. Only laid off one time. Just, oh, okay. I see. I love my company I work for. It's like gold, family, crypto moons. I can retire. Yes. Rojas. 26,000 XRP, 5,000 XLM, 120,000 legacy. Patiently waiting. I like it, Rojas. I love it. I love it. I love it. 26,000 XRP. Doge GF Trillionaire. Last 3 times we entered, one leaves us with an average. With this one, 130 days with a low of 20. Wait, what? Last 3 times we entered, one leaves us with a. I'm not sure what you're saying. The pump and the shorts on average 18% more than the longs rates. Any thoughts? Well, we hit the cascading liquidations right here. Cascading liquidations, boom. Boom. So it took us from 43,000 all the way down to 33,000. It took us down 10 grand. We already hit some cascading liquidations here. And now we're waiting to see if we are going to come back up to the 702 for the Bitcoin. How many times do I have to click this? What the hell is going on? Hello? There we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so the 702 is right here at 58,000. The 786 is right up at 61,000. So that's what we're waiting to see. We're waiting to see if we're going to come back down to 33 and then come up. Or if we are just going to come straight up from here and hit the 702 or whatever. And that's either going to be it, and then we're going to slowly go into this bear market, or Bitcoin is going to shock the world. But I don't know. I think Blockchain Backer's right. I don't think it's going to go over 80,000. It would make sense that it hits six figures, but Blockchain Backer proves a very good point. And not only did we hit this death cross, but this golden cross over here only took us up to slightly making a new high from 65 to almost about 70, so 4,000 more. I was thinking, we were really going to come up here, but Blockchain Backer was right so far. So yeah, API 3, I bought 100 of these tokens. Kevin Cage made a very good point for it and could possibly see crazy shit out of this. Could possibly see it. You said no 100K this run? Yeah, Blockchain Backer thinks we won't even go past 80. I mean, who knows? Nobody really knows what the market's going to do. I could say a million things about the market. I have a 50% chance of being correct. So it really doesn't, matter. But what do I really think is going to happen? I think alts are going to fucking blast the hell off. And I think we're going to see some crazy stuff. If you guys could like the stream, I would really, really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button if you're new and you are loving the stream. I would really appreciate that as well. But other than that, we need to see these alts do some crazy stuff. So what did I do? I put a majority of my money into XLM and XRP just in case they are about to, well, XLM could possibly definitely take off to the 40-50 cent range, possibly $2 to $3 range. And XRP, anything is possible with XRP. Anything is possible. But right now, I really think we need one thing right now. One thing. Jada Blue, are you going to be rich soon? Man, I hope we're all going to be rich soon. But I really believe we are. I honestly do. My wife and I are heavily invested into cryptocurrency. All you guys who have been in this Blur Gang hodl with me, and all of you, anyone who wants to join the Blur Gang hodl, whenever you go to somebody's channel and you click the join button, it's usually $6 to $10 to become a member of the channel and get their cool emojis and emotes and loyalty badges. My channel is only $2.99. So if you guys want to become a part of the Blur Gang hodl, it's only $2.99. You just go ahead and click the join button, and it's really that simple. And if for some reason you guys can't find the join button, I can give you the link right here, guys. I will put it right in the chat for you. So here's the link for those of you who can't find it. Click that link, become part of the Blur Gang hodl, because we do this all the time and we get the market moving. It's just what we do. It's just what we do, guys. Let's get this market moving, guys. What up, Lucky? Francisco, what is up, man?
Style holding où le canot est à nid longé. Flip the switch.
Urs Mühlert. It's halb 8
Uh-oh, Henry's here. Come on, Henry.
9. Ignition
Come on, Henry.
sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
%99.999% of the people that own Bitcoin are fucking morons, retarded, imbeciles.
Pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Up, 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 up.
Во-первых, народу мама музыка не очень.
Pravenia.
А?
Pravenia.
Направление? Какое направление?
Pravenia. Pravenia.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Let's go, baby. Yes. That's what we do on this channel. So, yeah, there you guys go, man. If you can't find the join button, man, it's the cheapest membership on the YouTubes. $2.99. Join the Blur Gang HODL. Get that HODL badge next to your name. Get all the cool emotes, man, in HODL crypto. And then we're all going to be rich very, 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 very soon. That's the name of the game. That's the plan. That's the plan, man. So how's everybody doing, man? How is everybody doing? Ooh, look at API coming down to 374. Like I said, I just picked up API 3 because of Kevin Cage, and I saw it was like right, this is where I picked it up at $3.75, exactly right here, but like right here the other day is where I picked it up, and he believes in API 3, and it has not done anything. Like, you know how you find cryptos and they've already 5x'd or 10x'd or 20x'd in the past? API 3 hasn't done anything yet. That's why I picked up a ton of it. Well, not a ton. I picked up 100 tokens. Stream that fat announcement when it happens. So I'm thinking 10 minutes is... No. Wait, what? You can also stream that... Oh, the Fed announcement. Okay, okay. The pump dance. Yes, Angel. For sure. Binance ripped you off? Man, that sucks, man. Yep, so crazy. I'm even a SHIB GF trillionaire. Oh, no. Doge GF trillionaire. You're the best, bro. John McTurnan, what is up, man? Good to see you in here. So how's everybody doing, man? How are you guys doing? Let's get some other cryptos up here in the charts right now. Let's get XRP up here. There we go. On the daily here. Actually, let's put it on the hourly. I don't know where my XRP badge went. Just hodling, my pockets are empty. Mine are too, bro. Don't feel bad. Mine are empty too. All right, so here it is. Here's XRP. We're coming down to the 50 EMA right now. Now, the important part about this, the important part about XRP right now is that we were bouncing as resistance off of this 50 EMA. Look at this. Resistance, resistance. Then we came over, retrace, support, up, 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 support, possible support. We have to wait to see if this is going to treat us as support for our continuation. That's what we need to wait and see right now. That's what I am hoping for. That's exactly. Let's go, Brandon Token. You're like off. You jump right out of my chat box with your name. You jump right out of my chat box with your name. That's exactly what you do. Wendy O mentioned FEMI. I like the thinking behind it. FEMI. What? Market Inc. What is this? It's down a lot. Okay. It's on Bitmart. Is an upcoming multi-chain NFT marketplace. Oh, minting chains at launch will be Stellar, Ether. Oh, I see. FEMI is a Jamaican word, which means for me. So FEMI means for me in Jamaican. We believe that everyone has the right to participate, create, buy, sell, but most importantly, to thrive. Our mission is to provide artists from all walks of life an avenue to showcase their work. Money signed FEMI is the low supply of 32 million token built on the Stellar network that will serve as the utility token of the platform. Holders will have voting rights on featured content and collections. Mint free on Stellar. Enjoy reduced sale fees on work minted on other blockchains. And have early access to FEMI market exclusive collections and items. Okay, I see. What is it at? It's Stellar. It's at like 6 cents. And there's 32 million supply. Yeah, I mean, that's cool. For my new project, I'm just sticking with API 3. But FEMI does seem cool. I'm just, all these new projects coming out, like I believe we're about to be in this altcoin bull market that's about to explode. So what I want is the coins that are ready to explode that have been here. That's where I am right now. When we hit the bear market in the future, the real altcoin bear market, that's when I'm going to pick up possible new projects that might thrive, that the SEC don't have a problem with. Non-securities. That's when I'll get into all that stuff. But right now, my projects are picked, and API 3 has yet to do anything. So I am stoked to be holding it right now. Very stoked. And as for KuCoin, you can see Block Token is slowly working its way up. You see it came up from this like double type bottom. Now it just came down, but it wicked. You can see these wicks, which are very important. Wicks always show you the way. So if wick is down here, that means price is normally going to go the other way. That's what I believe from my experience. As you can see right here, you see the wick, then price went up. See what I mean? You see a wick, price went down. See the wick over here? Price went down. You can always tell by the wicks pretty much which way price is going to go. Paribus just hit a vector candle straight down to 1.5 cents. So we'll see how that plays out. But yeah, everything is looking great. I picked up some API 3. I put a lot of money into XLM and XRP, and I kept 20% into Legacy, WadsPay, Blocktopia, and Paribus. So I kept a few $100s in each of those projects and put 80% of all my money into XLM and XRP, and then picked up 100 API 3 tokens just in case. Wait, Florida's in the chat? What? Hey, let's go, Florida. Anime, what is up, Anime? Slow bleed until March? I mean, it's possible. Yeah, I think we're going to see some alts take off, though. I don't think it's going to be too much of a slow bleed. I think we're going to see some of our altcoins taking off. Baked as fuck. Grab the whole box of C. Oh, man. Let's go. You want Legacy to pop off? Yeah, me too, man. I want these to pop off as well so I can grab some more XLM and XRP. I have not received my solo. I checked like a few hours ago. Yeah, I checked a few hours ago. Whoa. Henry just took off. All right, I'm going to go get a couple pieces of nicotine gum. I'll be back in 2 seconds. 2 seconds. $12 minutes ago. Ripple buyback has begun. Here, watch this till I get.
Never going to be the
Watch this until I get back.
same again.
I'm worried about the world.
The mass chaos and crises that there was in the world, it's going to be just like that now.
This is not an accident.
How long is it going to last? Longer than even for those of you that have some cash in the bank, way past your cash reserves.
Out of 100 people, 4 will get the message.
This thing isn't going to be over in a few weeks. This thing isn't going to be over in a few months.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Bearable Bull here. And I got this aggressively average content for you today. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start off very quickly with this analysis from the blockchain backer. As he stated, there's a lot of excitement out here for Bitcoin to shoot back up.
I leave Bearable Bull on and he's playing blockchain backer. What the hell's going on?
Just a friendly reminder that last time in this structure it needed to do a double bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be going through volatile times. And today's Fed meeting is something that's going to be dictating the future of this economy moving forward. Keep that in mind. We see right now Bitcoin's price above 30.
Now who you believe? Now who you believe?
$8,000 and Ethers right around this structure. It needed to do a double bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, we see right now Bitcoin's price above $38,000 and Ethers right around $26.50. A healthy bounce back, but we could be in for some volatility, sideways trading, and all that means is stay patient because the next uptrend will be our altcoin season. The real next uptrend will be our altcoin season. That's what most of us have been waiting for.
You're damn right, Bearable Bull. We definitely have been waiting for that. Yo, we were cruising when we first went live. We had like 17 people in here. And then I started talking about joining the Blur Gang Hodl, and fucking damn, I got 9 people in here. I had to keep my mouth shut. I had to keep my mouth shut. Guys, tell me to shut up. Dan Pena said Putin is a real creator of Bitcoin. It's quite possible, man. So this is what I did, guys. Everybody knows I had 400,000 legacy, 20,000 block or 20,000 WadsPay, and 40,000 Blocktopia. I put a majority of my money into XLM and XRP. All right, guys. So I have 100,000 legacy, 4,000 WadsPay tokens, 10,000 block tokens, and 10,000 Paribus tokens. And I bought 100 API 3 tokens, and I put everything in XLM and XRP. All right, guys. So I just want to update you on my move. I did that last night. And what is going on here? What is this all about? Let's keep an eye on this. What time is it? 4:30. New York Stock Exchange has closed. Banks are closing. Now what is happening here? What is this all about? What the hell is this? We need a rocket in here. There we go. What color rocket? Red, right? Shouldn't it be red? There we go. Do not go below here, please. Listen, we have been bouncing off this 50 EMA as support. Let's get out of this Bollinger Band. Let's get this Bollinger Band out of here. Look at the 50 EMA. The pink line is the 50 EMA, the exponential moving average. It was resistance all the way through here, and then it became support. We punched through right here on the 25th, retraced to it, support, boom, support, support. Now we retraced, we're punching through it a little bit. I want to see it as support. I don't want to see us fall through it. What was the Fed news? What today's Fed decision could mean for crypto? What today's Fed decision could mean for crypto. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time Wednesday, the Federal Open Markets Committee, FOMC, will discuss the decisions reached during its latest two-day meeting started yesterday. The announcement will have a huge bearing on the direction of the U.S. economy as a whole. It may have particularly pronounced impacts on both short and long-term trends for cryptocurrency industry. The FOMC is expected to firm up at least two elements of the Federal Reserve's plans for the year. Now, before I read this whole thing, I want you all to understand something. Understand this. Rosie Rios works for Ripple. Understand that. She is the direction of the United States cryptocurrency, and she is still on those boards, okay, for the Treasury. She still has the direction. She points the direction that currency is going to go for the United States. And the last time she made a $100 bill, she said it won't be this anymore. She said that, remember. Remember that, okay? And she is on Ripple. I've been posting. I look in my wallet and I see Rosie Rios' signature on my money. And she works for Ripple XRP, okay? That's huge. XRP, if you hodl XRP, just like I believe this wholeheartedly, which is why my wife and I have been putting our every penny we earn after paying the bills. Sometimes we don't even pay the bills if XRP is at 70, 60, or 50 cents. We don't even pay the fucking bills. Sometimes we just put it right into crypto. But here's the thing. Here is the thing, ladies and gentlemen. I swear, and I believe this wholeheartedly, if you hold and hodl XRP, the future is going to be very, very bright for you. If you hold any of the WEF or ISO 222 tokens, the future is going to look very, very bright for you. There will be new millionaires, a ton of you. There will be some billionaires made out of this. But the moral of the story is Cardano, Algorand, CeeLo, XRP, XLM, Solana. These are the World Economic Forum picks. Remember that. Okay. Federal Reserve's plan for the year. Though both have been broadly telegraphed, there may be more details about the schedule for tapering the Fed's bond-type buying program, which more than doubled its balance sheet during the coronavirus pandemic to nearly $9 trillion. The tapering and divestment schedule has significant implications for inflation and capital markets. This article is expected from the Node CoinDesk Daily Roundup, the most pivotal stories in blockchain and crypto news. You can subscribe and get them. Why am I reading that? But the real headline issue is the potential for change in the Fed's interbank interest rate. There is very little chance for a hike of actually coming out of current meeting. The Fed has said it needs to begin the asset taper before hiking rates, apparently for technical reasons, but we already have a solid sense of the direction that things are going. The Fed has previously said its plans 3 rate hikes this year is response to rising inflation, an incredibly tight job market. Goldman Sachs, who you cannot believe for 1 second about anything they say, apparently seeing even more pressure ahead, predicts 4 hikes with rates. Well, when it comes to this, maybe, but when they bash crypto in the past and then all of a sudden they have crypto, I mean, come on. The FMOC, or is it FOMC? Is that a typo? Look at this typo. The FMOC could provide more clarity. It's the FOMC. Look at that typo. Who edits this? Could provide more clarity on that schedule today. Let me hit some comments real quick. Stay the fucking course, boys, Florida says. 2023 has always been XRP's moonshot. Nothing's changed. Same with the other ISOs. XRP's moonshot. 2023. I wonder why you say 2023. You got 2017, 2018 bull run. Then you got 4 years later, 2021, 2022 bull run. I guess, yeah, it could go into Q1 of 2023. But yeah, you can expect to see XRP doing some insane numbers, guys. Insane numbers from here on out for the rest of your life, okay? Same with the other ISOs, Florida. You're damn right. You're damn right. Rate changes coming in March, Mirth says. Mr. NC also staked for high rates. XDC Solana can't even stay online. Yeah, currently. XDC is an ISO, guys, so make sure you get yourself some XDC. I don't currently hold any, but it is a good trade finance crypto. If they jack rates up too much, that's bad. Yes, it is. The USA is so far in debt, the rates go. Well, yeah. So they either pay or they go to war, one or the other. But I think we're going to see some nice price action before the end of Q1. I think we're going to see some altcoins really shoot the moon, man. All right, let's see. If the Fed stays the course, it could amount to dramatic change to the macroeconomic environment. More to the point, it might be perceived as a major change by investors and employers who would shift their own choices accordingly. Among other impacts, higher Fed interest rates usually draw capital away from the speculative sectors because savers and investors are drawn to safer returns in government bonds. I would never buy a government bond. At the margins, this will inevitably pull value out of both tokens and crypto startups, along with tech and venture capital more generally. The question is how much money will move more conservative positions, how fast it will move, and whether the shift is already priced into markets. The likely impact is unclear, in part because of the nuances of the current moment. Nuance means the little detail that makes all the difference, or the little details that make all the difference. That's what a nuance means. So, in which even significant interest rate hikes would still leave rates historically low. Fed rates mostly have been near zero since 2008, only inching up to 2.4% in late 2019 before being cut again in the face of another crisis. Prior to the 2008 crisis, the Fed rate had not been as low as 2.4% since 1962. But will investors see the slow march upwards as the end of the post-crisis era of near free money? The near zero interest environment gave rise to perverse phenomena like the startup that loses money forever, operations like WeWork or Uber that are able to raise funds on the slim chance of future returns, in part because more reliable and solid investments just aren't available. Heading from 0% to 2.5% doesn't automatically mean the end of the USD silly season, but it will dampen things to some degree. Crypto companies have only fairly recently joined the ranks of companies able to attract large amounts of mainstream venture capital, so it's unclear to me just how rough a tumble the more formalized and regulated portions of the sector could see from a broad investment pullback. On the one hand, we may see fewer initial public offerings, IPO, like Coinbase, where the stock is currently more than 40% down from the opening price, which is why I never bought Coinbase when it IPO'd, because I said it's going under $200, and that's when I'll buy Coinbase stock. Here we are. On the other hand, many crypto companies are sitting on big war chests even after the current crash in Bitcoin and Ether. A wild example popped on my radar this morning when Singular DTV, which had an initial coin offering in late 2016 and for a short time employed me at a startup crypto magazine called Breaker, moved a stash of ETH that's still worth nearly $30 million. No comment on their treasury management and market timing skills, but they're far from alone among other crypto startups having a gargantuan ETH and BTC bags, with the potential to see them through a stretch of tougher capital markets. The big X factor in all of this is the stock market. For better or for worse, the Fed has for nearly 3 decades consistently moved to protect equity market prices. Excuse me. That is absolutely not part of the Fed's mandate, which concerns only managing employment and inflation, but former Fed Chair Alan Greenspan seemed so consistent in supporting asset prices with looser money that the tendency became known as the Greenspan put. So, the former Fed Chair Alan Greenspan seemed consistent in supporting asset prices with looser money, and that became known as the Greenspan put. Oh, I was reading comments for a second. I'm like, what? Yeah, when somebody bots type certain things in, so they just get banned immediately, guys. So when I see a bot type normal bot stuff in the chat, I just ban them from the chat. So what we're reading right here is what today's Fed decision could mean for crypto. This came out today, the 26th at 12:30. So we're reading this right now. It turned out to be a long-term mistake that created instability and bubbles, but the mindset has seemed to persist at the Fed, though the Fed has denied paying any attention to short-term asset prices. The recent plunge of the U.S. stock market, the S&P 500, is off more than 7% since the start of January, would appear to be at least somewhat of an obstacle to the rate hike. The Fed will still project its future hikes, though. The Fed will still present its future hikes, though, and its paramount need for long-term credibility means it would only change course under truly extraordinary circumstances. But a continued steep stock market decline might be one of them. It would be incredibly distressing and a fundamentally bad idea for the Fed to keep the zero interest orgy going as the real economy recovers from COVID-19. But the possibility can't be entirely counted out. And if Powell does let it ride, the frothiness has just begun. Let's go. Let's go. So, that's what it could mean for crypto, boys and girls. Like I said, I really believe alts are going to start popping off left and right. Some point soon, we are going to see some things popping off. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It fell right through the 50 EMA. XRP fell right through the 50 EMA. Let's see what's going on over here. Let's see what's going on over here. Let me put this Bitcoin on the hourly real quick. Oh my God, what is this? Get out of here. There we go. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. This is ugly. Oh, yo, guys, what do you guys think about Doge GF lately? Oh my God. Wow, what did Matty G do to people? Oh my God. What did Matty G do to people, ladies and gentlemen? Look at this. Look at this. It lost a zero. It gained a 0 again. He was shilling this over here. Oh my, people got so... Matty G will keep scamming and wrecking people as long as he lives. That kid is such a trash can. Oh my God, look at this. This looks like it is about to drop. This looks like it is about to drop. Wow, Matty. First he scammed a ton of people with Frothcoin like a year ago. Now he pushed Doge GF on a ton of people and they got fucked hard. That kid is such a loser. Anyway, what was Bearable Bull saying? It's coming back?
Now, guys,
good luck, man.
As we continue for the day, I have to show you this Grayscale post. As they've stated, they've updated their list of digital assets under consideration for 2022.
So here's the Grayscale list that they've updated for 2022 for consideration. Algorand, AR, Atom, Axis, Bora, BTT. I'm only going to read the ones we know. eGold, Engine, FTM, Gala, IOTA, Sand in VeChain, and Algo. Sand, VeChain, Algo, and Gala. Those all look amazing. Let me check it out right now. Gala is up 10% right now. It's at 20 cents. Gala is currently. Algorand is down to under 90 cents right now. Algorand is 89 cents right now. Algorand is dropping. Misha Sepp. What is up, Misha Sepp? What is up? Matty G even loses his last and only income, the YouTube ad money. I'm done with Matty's bullshit and unsubscribed. A lot of people have, man, and a lot of people will see it as well, man. A lot of people will see. Don't give up on Doug Lord. Doug Lord. He's the man. He will never let you down. Yeah, Matty will never let you down. He's the man. That kid is such a piece of shit. He really is. Ooh, look at this. Coming right through the 50 EMA right now for XRP. Possibly lighting up some buying prices for us. We're going to see. We're going to see if we have to come down to the 54-cent range again. Or we're pushing 5 o'clock right now. This could be a fake out. 5 o'clock could hit the last few minutes. The last few minutes, we can see this candle push down a little bit more, maybe to about right here. Then we could see a green candle recover all the way up. And then we could see the next candle continue like this. Or we have to go lower. We have to pay attention to the next the next 4 hours are really going to tell us what is happening. So we're going to pay attention to the next 4 hours of Bitcoin as well as XRP. API 3 is at 363 right now. And let's get Legacy up here. Here's the Legacy, still chilling at 0031. John, things really changed here with you and Maddie G. It's like coming back home after 6 months, finding out your parents divorced. Yeah, well, if Maddie didn't do what he did to me, I'd still be talking to him. But the kid is honestly a piece of shit, and he did this. Like, I was nothing but mad cool with him, and he was just a huge piece of shit. So I mean, I don't let people treat me like shit, man. So that's it. I just stopped talking to him, and I saw him for who he really is. He's been scamming people for a long time, and that's what he does. He's a fucking scam artist, man. Ask him about Frothcoin. He's just a huge scam artist. He scams so many people. And then he pushed Doge GF on people, and everybody lost all their money. Oh my God. I feel so bad. Listen, it's all about XRP. This channel has always been about XRP. Always. The main goal of my channel was to get as much XRP as possible, and that's always how it will be on this channel. Misha Sepp, yes. Hiya, Blur Gang. What up, Dons? Let's go, man. Good to see you in here. Yeah, exactly, Florida. Exactly. Exactly, Florida.
And these are the assets that Grayscale are considering adding. The reason I'm going to show you guys this is because it makes them extremely credible. Some key mentions include Algorand, Avalanche, Axie Infinity, Cosmos, Elrond.
I think the key mentions here are not the obvious ones. I think it's VeChain. I think it's Sandbox. Gala. These are notable mentions. He's just naming obvious ones. Those are notable. Sandbox, man. Oh my God. Let me see. Where's Sand at? Sand is dropping right now. Wow, this fell right through. Now, this is what we want to see. We want to see what happens with the new candle printing right now. Trevor James, Trevon. Yeah, I already know. Yeah. I already know. I already know that. Yeah, for sure. For sure. I already saw this. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, this guy's terrible. He doesn't research anything. He was pushing Hex on people. Richard Hart's an idiot, bro. Yo, if anyone's invested in Hex, I would not be I would never get caught dead holding that coin. Once Richard Hart hits that sell button, you're all broke. Anyone who's holding Hex. It's in the price. It's in the hands of a narcissist, of a manic narcissist. You're in trouble if you're holding Hex. I can tell you that much. Not financial advice, of course. All right, we're gonna see if this new candle goes straight up or if it drops. Wait, get the fuck out of Hex or off of Hex? Which one? All right, come on. I want to see if this is going to be a recovery or continuation. Oh, the scalp. Oh, out. Yeah, of course. Oh my God, it's terrible. All right, so far we're getting the railroad track back up. Let's see if we continue to get the railroad track back up. I want to see us get a railroad track back up. Because right now it's just looking like we bounced off the 200 EMA. Even though we were getting support on the 50, we got rejected off the 200. Now I want to see if we get railroad tracks back up. Ultimately, this does look like it's going to go back down. We're going to have to wait and see. Yeah, I can't stand him either, man. I really can't. None of those people. None of those people. All I ever talk about on this channel is XRP. That's where it's at. All these other projects I invest in is to see if I can get some fast money to put into XRP or XLM or Algorand, you know? That's it. That's all these other projects are for. Yeah, however it plays out, if it goes lower, I'm just buying more. Of course, always. Of course. All right, my wife's going to be home soon, and I got some stuff to take care of, guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. All of you who hit that subscribe button, who hit that like button, I really appreciate you guys. All my members, everybody, all the donations, everything, everything. I love you guys, man. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow at noontime. Peace out, everybody. Thank you guys all for the support. Later.
I got zero doubt in my membrane. You keep calling me insane. Every single day, more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work. We running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish and it shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP? I am not telling. I'm not. Now you want some of my XRP? I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you well, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Source some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right hand, my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking. Come on. And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. Hard and strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm not talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they tell telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out his shell, and that's when we prevail.